Windows are one of the most important components of your home, contributing to both the aesthetics and energy efficiency. Over time, however, windows can deteriorate, leaving your home susceptible to drafts, higher energy bills, and reduced curb appeal. In Clinton Township, homeowners are often unaware of the signs that it's time to replace their windows. This article will highlight common indicators that suggest it's time for window replacement in Clinton Township, helping you maintain the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Drafty windows and increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is if you feel drafts in your home. You might notice a chill near windows during the winter months or warmth near them in the summer. This happens when the seals around the windows deteriorate, allowing air to leak in or out. Drafty windows put a strain on your heating and cooling systems, forcing them to work harder and increasing energy consumption. As a result, you might see an increase in your energy bills. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can help reduce this problem, keeping your home comfortable and your utility costs down. Condensation between panes of glass. If you notice condensation or fog forming between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a clear sign that the seal has failed. When the seal is broken, moisture can enter the space between the glass panes, causing condensation that can't be wiped away. This issue not only affects the appearance of your windows but also indicates that they are no longer providing the insulation they should. A broken seal is a sign that your windows have reached the end of their life and need to be replaced to maintain your home's insulation. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If you struggle to open or close your windows, it could be due to warped or damaged frames. Wood windows can swell due to humidity, while vinyl or metal frames can distort over time. If the windows are difficult to operate or have become stuck in one position, it might be time for a replacement. Not only do malfunctioning windows make it difficult to enjoy fresh air, but they can also be a security risk. Windows that don't close tightly may leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. If you experience difficulty operating your windows, it's best to consider replacing them with new, functional models that offer ease of use and enhanced security. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows regularly for visible signs of damage, such as cracked or broken glass, rotting frames, or peeling paint. Cracked glass can be a safety hazard, and rotting wooden frames can compromise the structural integrity of your window. Additionally, wood frames are especially vulnerable to moisture, which can lead to mold growth and other issues if left unchecked. If you notice any of these signs of visible damage, it may be time to replace your windows. In Clinton Township, where the weather can be harsh, ensuring your windows are intact and in good condition is essential to protect your home from the elements. Outside noise disruption. If you find that outside noises are easily audible inside your home, your windows might not be doing a good job of blocking sound. Older windows, especially single-pane varieties, offer less soundproofing than modern double or triple-pane windows. In busy neighborhoods or areas with high traffic, this can be a significant issue. If you've noticed an increase in noise from the outside, Upgrading to windows with better soundproofing capabilities can create a quieter, more peaceful environment in your home. Fading furniture and floors. UV rays from the sun can cause furniture, carpets, and flooring to fade over time. If you've noticed that the sun is beginning to cause damage to your interior, it might be because your windows are not adequately blocking harmful UV rays. Modern windows are designed with low emissivity, low E coatings that reflect UV rays, preventing them from entering your home and causing fading. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient, UV-blocking windows can protect your belongings and maintain the beauty of your home. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the need for window replacement goes beyond functionality. If your windows are outdated or no longer match the aesthetic of your home, it could be time for an upgrade. New windows not only improve the curb appeal of your home but can also increase its value. Whether you're looking to update your home's style or preparing to sell, replacing old, worn-out windows with new, modern designs can provide an instant boost to your home's appearance. Conclusion. Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home in Clinton Township. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Doing so will improve your home's insulation, enhance its curb appeal, and reduce energy costs, ultimately providing you with a more comfortable living environment. If you're unsure whether it's time for window replacement, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional window contractor who can assess your windows and recommend the best course of action.